It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff.
I wanna roll with a pop star, rock star, pop star, rock star, pop star. He hit on my shows, I'm a pop star, rock star, pop star, rock star, pop star.
Hey guys, it's nayfromva. We're back with another YouTube video. So today I'm doing a dorm room haul. I'm doing a little dorm room haul today. As you can see, I have all this stuff behind me. I got it from a lot of different places, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This dorm room is gonna be popping, period. Stepping on next with this. From TJ Maxx, I got this stone. It's a rose quartz. You know, $15. It's pink-ish. You know, you can't really see it because of the light right there, but it's pink. I got this mirror from TJ Maxx too. I got this little thing that says, "Work hard, be kind, and stay humble, as you should." I have this vanity catch-all thing. It has like little holes in it, and you can put stuff. I'm putting on my desk, and it's a light pink color. I also got this set. It's 10 pieces. It's from TJ Maxx. It was $15, and it has a lot of like container cups and stuff. From Walmart, I got this magazine holder thing. I'm gonna use to organize stuff on my desk. From Target, I got a whole lot of hangers. And I just got a whole lot of the black ones. And I got this one pack of these braided fabric hangers for like stuff that want to slip or slide. From Walmart, I got this sewing kit too, just in case. I got this from TJ Maxx. It's a picture frame. It's really pink, really cute. It was only $5 too. I got this big power strip surge protector thing. I think this was from Bed Bath & Beyond, so that I can stay protected. It's black, and it looks like that. So and then I got these vitamins too from Bed Bath & Beyond, because they had a really big vitamin section, and these don't have gelatin in them, so I can eat them. I got this like set of bath towels from Bed Bath & Beyond that are light pink, 2 washcloths, 1 bath towel, and 1 bath sheet. And I got these big, well, they're actually not that big. This UGG rug, and I did not know that UGG made rugs, but this literally is the softest thing ever. I am in love with them. I have 2, and they were $30 each. So yeah, I don't know, they look pretty sturdy, but they're extremely soft, like, wow. But wait, okay, so I'm thinking that these are made out of, you know, the sheep or whatever, and no, these are actually 100% polyester. So yeah, I don't feel like I'm killing sheep anymore. And I got another one of those little outlet plug things. I got this from Walmart. Oh, the sun just went down like really bad. Okay, but now I can see, I guess. Oh, it's a cloud covering. The lighting changed so drastically. Okay. But, yeah. I got that. I have... These are pillow covers. I got these from Wayfair, I think. There's two, and they're either 16 or 18. No, these are 20-inch pillow covers, like 20 by 20, like girl pillow covers. And they're this hot pink color. And then I have these sheets. These are a size twin. These are Clara Clark Deluxe Sheet Set. Premier 800 collection, and it's strawberry pink. And these came from Wayfair, I think. These came from Wayfair. And I was looking, I really wanted like satin, soft pink satin sheets, but I could not find any in size twin. So I got these, and these are like almost, but not really. I guess they're just supposed to be soft, like satin. I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna make it work. These are from Wayfair too. These are also other pillow covers. These are hot pink, and they're like, I don't know what type of material this is, but like they're like a corduroy type of material, I guess. So these are very cute. I also have this big rock lamp. It's pink. I have been had this though. I got this from Goodwill. So it lights up and it does different colors, and it's really cute. So I'm gonna put this somewhere on my desk. And then I have this like stacked hanger thing. 4-bar flocked hanger set. And they're black. I'm gonna put this in my closet. Hopefully it fits. And it's like a non-slip material. So I can put like, I don't know, up there. And then from Target, I got a whole bunch of command strips. These are like the regular ones. These are the ones with the hooks. And then these. So I have a lot of ideas to put up. We'll see how it comes out though. I'm really excited. I don't move in until August 9th. So I have less than a month, and then I'm gone. So I got this comforter from Kohl's, and it's a very, very big comforter because I wanted to cover like down to the floor. I don't know, I could have just got a queen, but I got the biggest one. This is a king / California king comforter. It's black. It's by Madison Park. I got it from Kohl's. It has 1 comforter and 2 shams in it. So it's like stripes, but like velvet or like fur. So I'm my colors are mostly pink, hot pink. Like I'm really, y'all will see the theme when I do it. Like it's gonna be, I don't want to tell y'all right now, but you can pretty much get the gist. But like the overall big theme in my head is gonna be brazy. But my colors are pretty much pink, hot pink, black, and pink. You get it? So I don't really like pink like that. But this is, it's higher thinking. It's not just pink to be cute. It's a different level to it. It's a method to my madness. So y'all will see the end result, and it's gonna be very much Paris Hilton. I'll give you that hint. So I got some of the pillows to put into those little pillow covers cases, and these are from Amazon, like the inserts they call them. This is one of them, the big smaller ones, and then the bigger ones. I think this is like 18 or 16, and this is the 20-inch one. And then I have a large body pillow, and I also have a body pillow cover from UGG too. That's that same color. I don't know where it's at, but okay. But yeah, I have a large body pillow. That was this was like, yeah, $10 from Walmart. I have this big, like, I don't know, backrest pillow. I got this from Walmart. It's black. These are just my regular girl from the South pillows. Those are from Target. And this is the other one. I have this pillow. This is the softest pillow almost. Yo, this joint is soft, and this is from Walmart actually. Like, this one is crazy soft. It's like it said something about some jelly or something, jelly pillow, I don't know, but this joint, something different. And then I have some disinfectant spray. I'm trying to build a little bit of a collection because I'm about to leave. And I have some wipes. These are from Dollar General, I think. My mom found them. I also got from Amazon, I got some lights to put up on my wall, and I think you can do all the colors with these, but I haven't opened it yet. But when y'all see me on moving day, y'all see me putting these up or whatever. So I'm excited. This don't finna be crazy. Like, y'all finna hate it. Y'all finna hate me. All right, so this is the rest of my hangers. So from Target, I got this diffuser thing. It's like a reed diffuser thing, and it's black. And I got this because I don't think we're allowed to have electric diffusers or candles or anything that makes heat. So I think this isn't electric, but we will see. But this like oil in here probably smells like old man, so I bought some other oils. Oh. This is my Swiffer Wet Jet. These are like the wet mopping cloths, and I got, this is the Scentiva Tuscan Lavender and Jasmine scent, and these are the dry cloths I bought. Heavy duty 20 cloths, boom boom, from Target, which Target is expensive, so ew. I also have this pillow. It's pink, fluffy-ish, and this is from Walmart. And I have a mini vacuum cleaner thing. This was only like $35, and it's the Dust Buster Black & Decker. I also got this flashlight, and it comes with batteries, so I can be ready for anything. Okay, so the last few things I have are all from Target, I think. So I got this steamer because I'm not gonna be ironing nothing. So I have this letter board. I'm gonna paint this pink. Some more essential oils in lavender and this like citrus scent. I have a lint roller. And then my friend Alik, he bought me like a few things, a couple of things, a good amount. So he bought me this Swiffer Wet Jet, Wet and Dry. He bought me these, what are these called? Tupperware set. He bought me 2 plates. bought me these succulent, like, and they're on magnets. So he bought me these, and he bought me this fork too. So thanks, Elite. I'm so prepared and I'm ready for school. So thanks. And he bought me a bowl, but I don't know where it's, oh, and this bowl. So what's good, gang? Thanks for this. I really appreciate you. He was the first person to buy me anything, so shout out to Elite. Things I got was this set of satin sheets. This is from Wayfair. It's black, very basic, but they're satin, so a little less basic. Boom. And I got a Instax mini. It's pink, and I got it for like $45, including shipping, from QVC, and it is beautiful. I'm gonna use it to take some pictures with my friends before I go. I'm very excited. I'm gonna hang them up on my wall, and it's gonna be beautiful. And then I also have this fan, this mini fan from Target, and it's a Turbo Force power fan. So that's about it, I think. There's more stuff coming, but y'all will see that when I move in probably, because yeah. My camera cut off at least like 47 times, so hopefully I got everything. But thank you guys for watching. I will definitely be doing a moving day vlog and then a room tour, and y'all see my room and everything I got going on. I got stuff coming in still so thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and be ready for the next video. Peace. Okay, bye.
I'm on 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. How much I'ma spend profiling?